How to create second Facebook profile with same email address on Android phone. Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. Today's video is based on how you can create second Facebook profile with the same email address. In order to create a second Facebook profile with the same email address, first of all, update your Facebook application. After that, log in into your account. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, tap on the three lines icon right on top. Here you can see right on top you have your profile, and after that there is the option underneath create another profile. Tap on it. You can just go ahead and read this statement, and there are also instructions how you can actually create a Facebook profile. So go ahead and tap on get started button, type in the profile name whatever you want to be called by, click on the continue button if you're sure about it. Now you can see that you're almost ready. Go ahead and add a profile picture, click on the continue button. You can go through all of these steps, important profile information, all that. If you're sure about it, click on create profile. Next page you might ask to type in some confirmation such as maybe email address, maybe password and all that, and after that you've basically created a second Facebook profile with the same email address on Android phone. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.